affection they have given, so that one we came to know. Tie they have given, that one also we dealt with. Celebrate, carry, protect, arti, this much word they have given here in this textbook, page number 3. In page number 3 they have given. So ishtu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, page number 3 ಒಳಗ new words ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So except these new words, some other words are also there which we don't know. So let us take those words. So ಇವನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನದಾವ ಇದಾವ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ. So can we start it? Okay, very good. So let us start. I will give you the new words. See, yes, Raksha Bandhan is a festival. We know festival. So what is festival? Festival, a day or a period of celebration. So festival in the sense, in festival what we will do? We celebrate. So festival is a day. So whether it may be one day or a period, particular time. So festival is a day or a period. So ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಅದ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. So ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂತೀವಿ festival ಅಂದ್ರೆ. So what is the meaning of festival? ಹಬ್ಬ. Festival means haba. Okay, so let us take the word festival. Okay, spelling it should be known to you. Spelling ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. So what is the spelling of festival? F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. So pronunciation of this word is festival. Pronunciation is festival. So the meaning of festival is, take it down, a day or period, of celebration. So in festival what we will do? We celebrate that day or that period, particular period. So ಹಬ್ಬದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹಬ್ಬದಂದು ನಾವು ಹಬ್ಬ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, we celebrate that day. Okay, so next word, which is the next day? So observe, festival observed in the sense of noting. So notice, observe in the sense of notice. So ಗಮನಿಸೋದು, observe, the Kannada meaning of observe is notice. Okay, so second word is observe. Notice, ಗಮನಿಸೋದು. So the meaning of observe is notice. Okay, so next word is North India. North in the sense it is a direction. So east, west, north, south, the directions we know. Yes, so North India, it celebrates. So celebration, celebrate, we have already come to know in this book they have given. Okay, yes. Affection also they have given, so no need to give it once again. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. affection ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರೀತಿ. Okay, affection in the sense what? Liking or love is known as affection. Okay, yes. Brother and sister, epic. Yes, this word is new here. Epic. Third word, epic. So what is the meaning of epic? Epic in the sense it is a poem. Epic means a long poem. So a long poem which is related to culture and religion is known as epic. So ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ poem ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? epic ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So epic, a long poem. So what is epic? E-P-I-C, epic. E-P-I-C, epic in the sense a long poem. Okay, so next word. Okay, affection again they have given. Scene between Krishna and Draupadi. Krishna wrist in the sense, so the where we tie the watch, that portion of the hand is known as wrist. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? watch ಕಟ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? wrist. So the where we tie the watch, the part of the hand where we tie the watch. So watch ಕಟ್ಟುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗ ಇದೇನದಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನಂತೀವಿ? wrist ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಮನಿ ಕಟ್ಟು ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ wrist watch. So we call it as this watch we call it as a wristwatch. So why we call this as a wristwatch? Why? Because this watch it is tied to the wrist. Okay. So wrist, take it down. So it is a part of a body, wrist. So the next body is wrist. So W-R-I-S-T, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. So part of the hand, where we tie watch. Yes. So next word is toe. Tear, toe. So tear in the sense pulling. Tear in the sense pulling apart or to piece with force. So jaggi hariyodಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಹರಿಯೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? tear, toe. Okay. So fifth one is tear, pull apart. ಜಗ್ಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹರಿಯೋದು. So if I pull this paper and I make it apart from the book, it is known as tear. So ಇದನ್ನ ಹರದ್ನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? tear ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay. So tear, pull apart. Okay. Tear. So here you take tear, toe. Tear, toe. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹರಿಯೋದು. Tear is present form, toe is past form, toe is past participle form. Okay. Yes. So take it down, students. This much take it down, and some other words are also there. I will give you those also. First take it down. Okay. Take it down first. So ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಇವನ್ನ. Yes. So let us move to the next word. So first I will rub these words. So after that we will move to the next words also. Yes. Sixth word. So which is the sixth word here? Strip. So what do you mean by strip? Strip in the sense remove all covering from. So strip in the sense remove all covering from. So ಏನಾದರೂ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅದನ್ನಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. So strip, remove all leaf. Okay, next word. Yes. Ood. Ood. Ood in the sense of promise. So ood. The next word is ood in the sense of promise. Promise. Okay. So next word. So what is the next word here? They have given. Celebrity is already given. So month of Shravana. So Shravana month we know it. And next see here. Turn the page. Street, we know the area between the two sides of a building, covered with the buildings. Market, we know. Yes. Then Suma, okay. Then affection, we know. Symbol. So the symbol, word symbol. Symbol. Symbol in the sense. So what is the meaning of symbol? Symbol means a mark. A mark. Okay. So next word, which is the next word? Strengthen. So strengthen in the sense make or become stronger is. So bhala shaktishaali agoke ಏನಂತೀವಿ strengthen. ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. So the word, 10th word is strengthen. Strengthen. Make or, the meaning of the word strengthen is make or become stronger is known as strengthening. Okay, so something make that something make stronger or to become ourselves to become strong is known as strengthen. Okay, so next word cousin. So cousin, so all of we have the cousins. All of us will have cousins. What is the meaning of cousin? So cousin in the sense the children of uncle or aunt. So aunt chikkamma athwa chikkapana maklu. So ellaರಿಗೂ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ cousins. Yes. So the children of child of aunt or uncle. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ cousin ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So 11th word is cousin. Cousin, a child of one's uncle or aunt. It's not auntie, it's aunt. The cousin, the child of one's uncle or aunt is known as cousin. Okay. So next word is establish. So the next and the last word is establish. Establish. So establish in the sense set upon a firm or permanent basis. So setting something is known as establish. Okay. Set. ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. Set upon a firm or permanent basis is known as establish. Okay, take it down students. So these are the new words of this lesson, that is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, take it down. Sorry, take it down students. Yes. So students, we have completed the new words. So in this class what we have done, we came to know the new words of this lesson, all the new words of this lesson, difficult words of this lesson. So what you have to do, you have to read these words and spelling should be known to you, and you have to know the meanings also. So the meanings of the words also you have to know. So you all have to take it down and you have to read it, and after this in next class we will start up with the lesson.